Hello. Happy holidays, everybody. Well, it's the night before Christmas, and you know what that means. We read the night before Christmas. This year, I've put a really fun spin on it and have reworded for all of my fellow Poshmark sellers out there. So, as a special treat for all of my fellow Poshers, this version of the night before Christmas is for you. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house, all the Poshers were sharing, and some with a mouse. All the offers were sent to the customers with care, in hopes that a bundle or sale would be there. Then what to my wandering eyes should appear? A new notification. Was it a lowball I feared? A little too low, so I countered real quick, and I regretted the moment I heard it go click. And more rapid than eagles, more offers they came, and I danced up and down and thanked them all by name. So back to the offers my fingers they flew to accept reasonable offers like good Poshers do. Then the comments they came and new questions abound. Could you model this item? Or when you walk, does it make sound? I spoke not a word and went straight back to work, adding to bundles, then I turned with a jerk. And laying a finger on my iPad, I froze. A full price purchase and no payment woes? And they heard me exclaim as I walked out of sight, Merry Poshmas to all, and to all a good night. Happy holidays, everybody, from my family to yours.